I'm Eric Glyman, the co-founder and CEO at Ramp. Ramp exists to save companies their most valuable resources. We think that's their time and their money. Our ultimate goal is to make every company on earth more profitable. The easy way to think about Ramp is that we bring AI to your finance teams. We issue cards that automatically complete the expenses of your employees, bill payments and accounts payable that will go and pay itself, we have procurement software, treasury software, but ultimately what we're working towards is effortless automated finance. Business owners I know are looking to make their business better, more profitable, more efficient, do more with less. And we thought there should be a company that's actually aligned with the incentive of the customer. What if credit cards were designed to not help you spend more money, but to actually help you spend less, to identify waste and cut it automatically? That was the start of what became Ramp. In the year 2026, we're teaching money to think in a real way. Many people have this experience. You have money in your checking account. Maybe you're not going to use it until you pay rent next month. Why aren't those funds earning the highest rate of interest for you? When I think about where Ramp is going, money will move itself. Your software should be able to go and tell you, here's where to invest to grow faster, to be more profitable. And so what I'm excited about is teaching money to think, just like the best operators and investors do. Ramp is excited to partner with Robinhood Ventures to bring its retail investors along for the journey.